Hi, welcome back to your Math Resource Showcase. I'm your host, Amber Soto, and I want to continue using the strategy that I've been talking about the past couple days, which one doesn't belong. I want to continue to be able to use the online resources. So we want to go back to that same page. If you remember which one doesn't belong, wodb.ca is the page that we went to. But last time we did shapes. Today I'm going to try the numbers category and see what we can find. You'll see as I scroll through here, there's a lot of different choices and options. I found one that I particularly liked, so I wanted to share that with you as my demo for how to use this particular one. So let's look here, and you tell me which number do you think doesn't belong? So again, as usual, there's a lot of possibilities for what the answers could be. The only thing is you have to explain why you feel that that one doesn't belong. There's a lot of things you could have said. For this top left box, you could have said that you felt the 54 doesn't belong because it's the only one that's not a square. 64 is 8 times 8, that's 8 squared. 81 is 9 times 9, that's 9 squared. 144 is 12 times 12, that's 12 squared. Or you could have said that you think the top right box here is the one that doesn't belong because 64, if you add the two digits together, equals 10, 6 plus 4, whereas all the other boxes add to be 9. 5 plus 4 is 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, and 1 plus 4 plus 4 is also 9. Or you could have said this bottom left-hand box is the one that you think doesn't belong because it's odd. All the other numbers are even. Or you could have said this bottom right-hand box is the one that you feel doesn't belong because it's got 3 digits as opposed to the other 3 boxes that have 2 digits. You may have even thought of another reason why you feel one of these 4 boxes don't belong. But again, it's the conversation that matters. It's the journey that matters. Okay, so with that said, I'm going to pose the one that I want you to try on your own. I'm going to go easy for you. I'm coming all the way up to the top and we're going to look at number 1. So go ahead and have a look at number 1. Again, if you need to find it, it's at wodb.ca under the tab numbers, and it's the first one, number 1. So go ahead and have a look at this and tell me, why do you think, well, first, which number doesn't belong and why do you think so? Now, please post your solutions in the comments, but make sure you include your why. That's the most important part. I know I say that over and over again, but it's true. Also, if you're feeling creative, why don't you post a which one doesn't belong of your own that you created? So I'll look through and see anybody that posts ones that they've created, and maybe I'll use that as my showcase tomorrow. What do you think? All right, with that said, I hope you have a chance to have some really great math conversations. I hope that you have a chance to make some great connections, and I hope you have some fun with this. All right, with that said, happy mathing.